Now that your soffit girts have been installed and your J-trim and base trim is in place, it's time to install your soffit panels. Soffit panels will slide into the J-trim and screw into the soffit girts on the bottom of the overhang. Before installing, Worldwide Steel recommends pre-drilling your panels with a method called stack drilling. We recommend stack drilling no more than 20 panels at one time. But first, you'll need to identify the panels that are supposed to be installed for the overhang you're working on. Refer to the sheet metal trim package list located in your ship list. This page will indicate what panels and lengths are to be used at each surface of your building. Worldwide Steel typically bundles panels together for each surface when you're building, but it's a good idea to verify you have the correct panels before pre-drilling them for a surface. Worldwide Steel's typical panel has a total of 5 high ribs and 8 smaller intermediate ribs. The high ribs are spaced 9 inches apart. The panel is designed to lap and has a 36-inch coverage. This is the dimension from the center of the first high rib to the center of the last high rib. One side of your panel is referred to as the overlap edge, which is the side shown here. The other side is referred to as the side lap edge, shown here. When installing your panels, you may start from either the left or the right side of your overhang, working your way along the distance of the overhang. In our example, we're starting from the left side and working to the right. Therefore, the overlap edge of our panels will be positioned on the left side when stack drilling. If you elect to install from the right side, then your overlap edge will be positioned on the right side when stack drilling. It's important to correctly orient your panels before marking and drilling to ensure a proper fit. Please contact your Worldwide Steel Buildings rep if you have any questions. It's common practice to utilize a piece of wood and hammer to ensure the ends of all the panels in the stack are lined up. Once you have the end of the panels lined up, we recommend using 2 or more locking clamps to clamp the panels together at the end you lined up to help prevent any movement during drilling. Begin by determining where your overhang soffit panels will attach. Measure from the inside of the J-trim to the middle of the outermost soffit girt. In our example, we can see that our soffit panels will attach to the soffit girts at 1 inch, 28 inches, and 44.5 inches. Mark these measurements toward the overlapped side of the high ribs, between the high rib and the first intermediate rib, as shown here. And then, using a 1/8 inch drill bit designed for drilling into metal, drill at each location you marked as demonstrated here. Once all the holes have been drilled, you're ready to start the installation of your soffit panels. Thanks for choosing Worldwide Steel Buildings. Got questions? Give us a call at 1-800-825-0316 or visit our website at worldwidesteelbuildings.com.